Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris. This is Restoration Rescue, and this is going to be a little bit of a different video. So this week we have a lot of stuff to do over the weekend that is car related. However, it's not working on the truck. This is going to be a video that we will not touch the truck working on it. We are just going to go do some cool things with it. So first and foremost, we have a car show, like I've said, over at my dealership. So we are going to head over there. We're going to hang out. We're going to have a good time. We're going to check out some other cars, talk to some people, and have a good time. Then we're going to work on trying to go to NASCAR. So NASCAR is in Richmond this week. So when you guys see this, it'll be last week. They'll be in Daytona. And we're going to go. I mean, I got tickets. We're going to go hang out with some friends. We're going to have a good time. We're going to be there all day. Hopefully we get the truck out there and hopefully have a blast. So we're going to head over to the first place, which is the dealer, which the truck is already there because that's where all the work has been getting done in the past week that you saw. So we'll see you over there.
On mine, I wiped it. I wanted to get the Chevrolet thing in the background too.
So we finally made it back home, not just from NASCAR, but from a week long at the shop, which was cool. Sorry about that light, but we had a lot of adventures in this thing. We drove it to NASCAR. I didn't get a lot of pictures at NASCAR. We took some cool photos at the dealer, which you saw, and we saw some things inside and outside the dealer that is going to make this thing look even better. We had a great time at the car show. We had a great time at NASCAR, even though we didn't get a lot of video of the truck. We got some of NASCAR, but not the truck. But now it's home where it belongs. We have work that is coming up next Saturday that's going to make this thing come all together. We can't wait. We still have some sort of coolant leak somewhere we got to find, but we're going to get that taken care of. We have a lot coming to the channel. We'll see you guys next Saturday. We'll continue working on the truck.